If you want to build a career in tech or AI, you must have heard about Masai School and Newton School, right? Obviously. But the real question is, in what basis are you going to choose? Should you choose based on the brand, fees, or placement, or just to finish your degree? In this video, without any hype, we are going to compare both the platforms in 5 different parameters, which are the most important parameters, such as cost, degree, entry barrier, learning experience, and career outcomes. So by the end of this video, you are going to have a clear mind that which program fits you perfectly. So first, let's discuss about these two programs, Newton School and Masai School. Let's see what each platform offers. First of all, Newton School, which is mainly focused on degree programs, which is engineering oriented, where admission is typically by competitive entrance exams. Masai, on the other hand, is no longer just a coding platform. Today, it's a career school offering programs across 9 different domains like software development, data analytics, cybersecurity, AI/ML, product management, marketing, finance, business, and leadership. One of its highlighting key point is it is collaborating with 16 plus IITs and IIMs and some other partners such as XLRI, Bitsum, and Rotman School of Management. While both of these platforms are under education space, both of their target audience and approach is quite different. One is primarily degree based, another one is skill based. So let's discuss deep into the 5 parameters what I have mentioned earlier. So first is cost. Let's begin with the investment. Before joining any course, just don't see the fees. Ask yourself, what value are you getting in return? I think Newton's degree programs are little more costlier than Masai's other courses, because Masai courses start around 60,000 and you can get IIT IIM linked certificates. That doesn't automatically mean that you should go for less cost courses. No, obviously. But if budget is the main issue for you, if you are searching something under your budget, you have a limited budget suppose, and you are searching under that, then I don't think you should go for Newton School. But if there is no issue of budget, then you can explore Newton's degree courses also. So I think in price point of view, it is better to go with Masai School courses. Okay, so our next important parameter is admission process. In Newton School, the admission process is basically competitive entrance exams. But in Masai School, the admission process is through qualifier test, which doesn't mean you have to know the codings. The qualifier test includes aptitude, logical reasoning, problem solving ability. So it becomes the best choice for people who have just completed their 12th and someone who just want to switch their profession or career. The admission process is accessible to everybody. So it's like a better option in this case also. If you are a complete beginner, this program makes it very easier, very accessible for you. Okay, let's go for the third parameter, learning experience. Today in this generation, learning a program is not enough. Until you know something in AI, I don't think you are going to stand out, because as you know, AI is everywhere now. AI is taking over all the jobs because AI has become part of every industry. Masai's curriculum is designed with AI first approach for multiple domains, from software engineering to data analytics, from generative AI to product management for the agentic AI era. It also offers Misoji AI. It's a 14-week dedicated course for the developers. The learning model includes live classes, not only the pre-recorded video, real-world project, mentor guidance, continuous assessment, career preparation like resume building, portfolio building, mock interviews. If you prefer structured learning, weekly guidance, and project-based education, I think Masai is a strong option for you. On the other hand, if your primary goal is to have a basic degree, I think you should go for Newton School. You should explore that too. Newton School is going to be best fit for you if you're looking for normal course degree. That's why it's very important to get a clarity in our mind what exactly we want, what exactly our future is gonna look like, what kind of jobs you are going to do, what attracts you more, so that you can choose that you want a basic degree or you want AI based course. So who is Masai basically for? If you want a skill-based career after your 12th, if you are a working professional, if you live in tier 2 and tier 3 cities who don't want to relocate, and if you are someone who prefer flexible timings or someone who want AI focused career or have budget issues, then I think Masai is going to be the best and strongest choice for you. However, if your biggest priority is to get a basic degree on your name, I think you should explore Newton School. That will be worth considering. So, my final thoughts are no platform is best for everyone. The best platform is which meet your goals, career opportunities, and your budget. That is best for you, right? So, to summarize in one line, if your priority is flexible learning, AI based career, skill based learning, multiple career in different domains, IIT, IIM linked certificates, and affordable prepared entry point, then Masai could be the best and strongest option for you. But if your primary focus is on getting a degree on your name, then I think Newton's degree certificates are best choice for you. Before making any final decision, compare the curriculum, mentorship, projects, alumni feedback, and career support provided by them. And one final advice I want to give is don't just go for the numbers of placements they have written in the website, but also fact check that. Always verify the methodology, definitions, and context behind those claims. So, yeah, I hope this video helped you a little.